I'm gonna talk about this soy dance. I love this song so much. So, like, you can put on, they're like rubber bands with shirts, whatever. That's about it. Oh, here's my favorite. Here's the Oscars one, I think. It's a baseball. It's a baseball. It's a baseball. See it? I'm gonna hold it in my hand. Baseball. Ooh, my soy bean soup. Sounds yummy, doesn't it? You'll die if you eat it though. I'm so glad you can be here for my favorite part. Oh, I can do a cool trick with my hair. You want to see? No, that's not cool. My friend can do it. Oh man, I spilled my soy bean soup. I'm scared. I'm okay. That was just me. This is creepiness. I'm gonna leave. To my room! Quickly, everybody. There's a scary noise in here. Quickly! Please flee. What was that? Oh, it was my mom's phone. Run! Oh. My room's a bit messy. Nothing we can't fix. The carpet. My soy bean soup. How delectable. Yes, how yummy. Bye.